Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to buy and sell cryptocurrency using Binance P2P platform. So what is Binance P2P? Binance P2P or peer-to-peer platform let you trade crypto directly with other users. You can buy and sell cryptocurrency without using a bank card. So if I'm not using a bank card, how am I paying? Binance P2P has over 800 payment methods and supports 100 plus fiat currencies. You can use local bank apps, mobile payment services, e-wallets, or even cash in some cases, depending on the buyer or seller. When you're buying, you transfer the money directly to the seller using your local bank app or e-wallet. Once they confirm they receive the payment, Binance release the crypto to your account. And when you're selling, the buyer sends the money directly to your bank or e-wallet, and once you confirm receipt, you release the crypto. That's how it works. Okay, now let me walk you through the buying process. Before you can trade on Binance P2P, you need to have a Binance account. If you don't have one yet, I'll leave the registration link in the video description. Now log into your Binance account. If you are a new user, you need to verify your account before trading on P2P. To do this, go to the account section, then click on identification and complete the verification process. My account is already verified. Once your account is verified, it will look like this. After your account is verified, head to the payment section and add your available payment methods based on your country or region. Once you added your payment methods, go to the trade section and select peer-to-peer trading. This is the peer-to-peer trading interface. And here you can choose your currency, payment method, cryptocurrency, and region. Once you enter, you will see many ads. Look for verified seller with high completion rates. I'm looking for an ad with a minimum payment limit of $10. Now I'm going to buy from this seller. Click on buy. Enter the amount you want to buy. You'll see how much crypto you will receive. Select your payment method. In this case, I'm using my mobile banking app and click buy. Now the order is processing. You can chat with the seller to confirm the bank account number or e-wallet ID. In my case, I just scan the seller mobile banking QR code. I'll send the money to the seller through my banking app. Stay in touch with the seller to make sure they receive the payment. The seller requires proof of payment. So I'll take a screenshot and send it to him. Now I'll wait for the seller to confirm and release the crypto. The crypto has been released. Now the crypto is in my funding account. You can check it by going to Assets and then Funding. To trade or transfer your crypto to other platforms or your wallet, you need to transfer it to your spot account. Go to Transfer, select Funding to Fiat and Spot, enter the amount you want to transfer, and confirm. Now head to your spot account. Your crypto will appear here. Now you can trade it or send it anywhere you want. Okay, now let me walk you through the selling process on Binance P2P. Before you can sell your crypto, remember that only a few stable coins and cryptocurrency are available for peer-to-peer trading. You need to convert your crypto to one of the available options. Once converted, transfer your crypto to your funding account. Go to Transfer, select Fiat and Spot to Funding. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transfer. After transferring your crypto to your funding account, go to peer-to-peer trading and select the sales section. Choose your payment method and scroll down to find a low minimum requirement. I'm going to sell to this buyer. Click on Sell. Enter the amount you want to sell, and you'll see how much you will receive in your bank account. Then click Sell. You can chat with the buyer and wait for them to reply and send the payment. Make sure you receive the payment before confirming the release of the crypto. Now I have received the payment in my bank app. Now I confirm the order and release the cryptos, and it's done. My crypto has been deducted from my account. So that's how you can buy and sell crypto on Binance P2P without using a bank card. If you're ready to get started, check out the link in the description to register on Binance and start trading today. And if you found these videos helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you never miss out the future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.